Belief in angels. 50 angels are subtle and luminous beings like spirits, and their main characteristics are known by Allah, and they are servants of Allah, who is the great owner. Some angels are constantly engaged in worship and remembrance of Allah. Others are occupied with various tasks in the heavens and on earth. Angels do not eat, drink, marry, or give birth. They have the ability to take on different forms. They never disobey the commandments of the Almighty God. They perform their duties exactly as they are commanded. They live in holiness until the day of judgment and spend their time in spiritual pleasure. Believers are obliged to believe in the existence of angels. Their existence is actually a possibility. Their actual existence has been revealed by all the prophets and the books given to them, since denying the existence of angels is equivalent to denying all prophets and scriptures. Denying them is never permissible. For this reason, all nations have believed in the existence of angels from time immemorial. Therefore, believing in angels is also a requirement in our religion. 52. All prophets and all heavenly scriptures have informed us of the existence of angels. In this world, there are creatures that we know of and many that we do not know of, both hidden and obvious. Today, there are many forces that have been discovered and many that have not yet been discovered. There are even creatures called JINN that possess intellect and consciousness but are invisible to the eye. Their existence has been revealed by the prophets and the scriptures. Some of them are believers, and some are unbelievers, just like humans. To claim that beings endowed with reason, consciousness, strength, and power are exclusively human is to fail to consider the power and greatness of the Almighty Allah, the creator of the entire universe. Something cannot be denied simply because it cannot be seen with the eyes or understood with the senses. Indeed, even though we cannot see our own souls and consciences, we cannot deny their existence. In this universe, which is so vast that IT can be considered a small part of IT, there are living beings of such diversity in form that their number cannot be described. How can we say that there are nitrogen monoxide intelligent and conscious creatures in other worlds we know and do not know, contrary to our creation?